Hello, my name is Edison. If you want to draw Laib, the official mascot of the Qatar 2022 World Cup, the first thing you need is a black poster board, since our character is white, so we will mainly use a white pencil. It's really easy to draw. Just follow this shape. I recommend you first practice the sketch on a regular sheet of paper, since on this poster board you won't have a chance to erase or correct. Tell me in the comments which team you support or think will win the World Cup. Once we draw the general shape of the body, we start sketching its round eyes, leaving a space between them that's about the width of one eye. We also draw its mouth, its eyebrows and the string, leaving the space black. To draw the iris, we use orange and yellow to give it some shine and volume, leaving the middle in black since the pupils are black and of course the white part of the eye. Thank you for Then we proceed to color with the white pencil, applying pressure on the brightest areas. And in the shadow areas or midtones, we apply little pressure and also use the gray color for shading. This way, we give more volume to the drawing and create that fabric-like effect with its natural folds. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, like the video and share it with your friends. We also use black with the gray in the darkest areas to add more contrast. I'm using Faber-Castell Super Soft colors and also Prismacolor Junior, which are some of the most affordable ones. And if you want to learn how to draw like a pro, I'll leave a playlist with my best tutorials at the end. To draw the logos, I just use a red color with some pressure. And in the areas where you can't really make anything out, I just draw scribbles. New York back scribbles.
When August, New York back to